Hey folks, Jason.Fairchild with Guaranty RV. Today we're going to go over a really cool trailer. It's an Echo Camp. It's a 2015 by Skyline. It's the 17DS. We're going to start off on the interior and I will finish off going over the exterior with you. Follow me inside. Oh, wonderful. Previous owners left us a fantastic aftermarket mattress, so that's a memory foam. You're going to love that. Got good storage up above here. Built-in stereo. And some more storage here at the foot of the bed, and plus your cabinet here. Got a small booth in this travel trailer, full fridge and freezer. And the storage just abounds. Look at this, it looks like the previous customer added shelves in here, which really makes good use of this space. 2-burner stove, really large sink, look at that. Great for getting those large pots and pans clean. Up above, more shelves added in by the previous customer. And this trailer's got a real nice light color to it. Really feels nice and open inside. Let's take a quick look at the bathroom. Glass shower door, gotta love that. Plenty of room with the medicine cabinet, sink, storage underneath, toilet, towel rack, or excuse me, towel rod. For a 2015, you can look real quickly and see really well cared for. The graphics are in great shape. Tires look like they're in great shape. Trailer looked like it was really probably lightly used, probably stored inside. They just didn't use it much for whatever reason. So large awning. In the back here, we've got your propane tanks with a cover. We've got full-size spare tire, and our previous customer added on this wonderful storage box. So it does lock, keep all kinds of stuff in there. I think that would be really handy. Here's where your power cord's going to connect. As we move around, we see we've got hot and cold exterior shower here, your city water connection, and then this is your sewer flush. You got stabilizers all around. Here's your large slide, water heater, and the back side of your storage here, your pass-through storage. Again, you can see these graphics are in excellent condition. Let's talk about weight for just a minute. Trailer fully loaded, we are at 5,000 pounds. So let's see, dry, you're going to be 3,500. So extremely lightweight travel trailer here. If you have any questions on this or any of our other trailers, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My name is Jason.Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.